Have you ever wondered why your life isn't changing, even though every day you promise yourself, "Tomorrow I will start"? Why your excitement lasts a day, but your results never change? If you've felt this, then listen carefully, because the story you're about to hear might shake your soul and force you to meet the version of yourself you've always dreamed of becoming. In a peaceful valley surrounded by quiet mountains lived a young boy named Liam Carter. Liam dreamed big, bigger than the sky, bigger than the mountains. Every night he imagined himself successful, respected, powerful. He imagined his future so perfectly that sometimes it felt more real than his present. And every morning, he woke up with fire inside his chest. Starting today, I will change my life. He would make new plans, new routines, new promises. And for a few hours, he felt unstoppable. But by evening, everything dissolved. His motivation disappeared like smoke. His plans lay forgotten on the table. His dreams quietly returned to the corner of his mind. Why did this happen? Why did his excitement never last? Liam didn't know the answer. Not yet. Days turned into weeks, weeks into months. Liam kept trying, failing, restarting, quitting, regretting, repeating. He wanted to be great, but he couldn't stay consistent. One morning, frustrated and exhausted, Liam wandered toward a hill nearby to clear his thoughts. The sky was orange with sunrise, and the valley was still asleep. That's when he saw him, an old man sitting on a rock, drawing tiny circles in the dirt with a wooden stick. The man's eyes were calm in a way that felt strange, as if he understood things that others didn't. Without turning his head, the old man said, "You're carrying a heavy storm inside you." Liam froze. "How did you know?" The old man smiled gently. "Because I had that same storm once." Liam sat beside him. "I want to change. I really do. But I can't stay consistent. I always give up. I don't know what's wrong with me." The old man looked into Liam's confused eyes. "Nothing is wrong with you. You're simply depending on the wrong fuel." "What do you mean?" Liam asked. "Motivation is like fireworks," the old man said. "Beautiful, powerful, but gone in seconds. What you need is something stronger, something slower, something quieter." "What is that?" Liam whispered. The old man's voice became soft and deep. "Consistency." He stood up and motioned for Liam to follow him. "Come, I want to show you something." They walked through a small forest until they reached a rusty iron gate. The old man unlocked it with a crooked key. Inside was an old, abandoned yard, covered with grass and fallen leaves. In the center stood a massive stone wall, or what was left of it. Large cracks spread across its surface like scars. Some areas were broken completely. Pieces of stone lay scattered on the ground. Liam stared in confusion. "This," the old man said, touching the wall gently, "was supposed to be the wall of my dream house." "What happened?" Liam asked. The old man sighed. "When I was young, I was exactly like you. I dreamed big. I planned everything. I got excited easily. And I thought excitement would build my future." He tapped the wall with his stick. A loose stone fell to the ground. "I started building this wall with full energy. But after a week, I got tired. After 10 days, I started delaying. I worked only when I felt motivated. Some days I worked a lot. Some days I did nothing. And this," he tapped again, "is the result of inconsistency." Liam swallowed hard. "But do you know what my neighbor built while I wasted my years?" the old man asked. He pointed beyond the broken wall. A strong, beautifully constructed stone house stood tall and proud under the sunlight. He built that, the old man said. Not with excitement, not with motivation, but by laying one brick a day, every single day. Whether he was tired, busy, sad, or unmotivated, he placed one brick. And look at it now, standing strong after 40 years. Liam stared at the house. For the first time, he understood something he had never understood before. The old man picked up a small stone from the ground. "Take this," he said, "and build your own tower. Come here every day and place one stone, just one, not more, not less, one stone every day." "That's all?" Liam asked, confused. "That's everything," the old man smiled. "Your future is built by what you do daily, not occasionally." And so, Liam began. Months later, the old man gave Liam a new challenge. "Tomorrow," he said, "we climb Hawk Mountain." It was the highest mountain in the valley. Steep, dangerous, unforgiving. The climb was brutal. After 1 hour, Liam's legs burned. After 2 hours, he struggled to breathe. After 3 hours, he fell to his knees. "I can't," he gasped. "I can't go any further." The old man sat beside him. "Do you think champions rise in one day?" he asked. "Success is not a single climb. It is thousands of small steps taken again and again." Liam stared at the ground. Then he took a deep breath and stood up. One step, then another, and another. Slowly, painfully, with shaking legs and burning lungs, Liam walked until finally he reached the top. The entire valley stretched beneath him like a painting. The sky felt closer. The air felt lighter. And for the first time, Liam realized what he had become. Not perfect, not the strongest, not the smartest, but consistent. The old man placed a hand on his shoulder. "You climbed this mountain the same way you built your tower, one step at a time. And that, Liam, is how you will climb your entire life." Years passed. Liam grew into a disciplined, powerful young man. He became respected, admired, loved. People saw his determination and wondered how he became so strong, built not by motivation, but by consistency. Motivation will come and go. Mood will come and go. Energy will come and go. Feelings will come and go. But consistency must stay. If you can show up daily, even in storms, even in pain, even when tired, then there is nothing in this world you cannot become. Your future depends on what you repeat, not what you feel. Start today. Start small. Start now. One stone a day. One step at a time. And your whole life will transform.